In this video, we will guide you through 10 simple steps to transform your basic look into a glamorous one. Whether you are a makeup enthusiast or a beginner, these tips and tricks will elevate your style effortlessly, enhancing your features to add a touch of glam, and get ready to slay any occasion with. Let's dive in your inner diva. Welcome to our channel. We unfold the secrets to a glamorous transformation. If you are tired of your basic look and want to level up your style, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take you on a journey of 10 easy steps that will help you go from glam. So, let's get started. Step 1: Prep and Prime. The first step in any fabulous makeup is to prepare your skin. Start by cleansing your face and a moisturizer. Next, generously prime your face to create a smooth canvas for your makeup. This step ensures your glam look all day and creates a flawless finish. Step 2: Flawless foundation. The key to a glam look is a flawless complexion. Find a foundation that your skin tone and apply it evenly using a brush sponge. Blend it well into your skin, covering any imperfections or dark spots. Remember, there is more. A little foundation goes a long way. Step 3: Accentuate your eyes are the windows to the soul, and we want them to shine. Apply a neutral eyeshadow base to prime your eyelids. Then, choose an eyeshadow palette and create a captivating eye look. Don't forget to line your eyes with bold eyeliner, followed by a coat of voluminous mascara for that oomph. Step 4: Sculpted cheeks. Glamorous makeup is all about a beautifully structured face. Use a bronzer, a shade or two darker than your skin tone, to contour your cheekbones, jawline, and temples. Apply peachy or rosy blush to the apples of your cheeks, giving that healthy, radiant glow. Step 5: Defined brows. Well-groomed frame your face and add elegance to any look. Fill in your brows using a brow pencil or creating soft strokes that mimic your natural brow hair. Set them in place with a brow gel or clear mascara for a polished finish. Step 6: Luscious. To achieve a glamorous pout, choose a lip liner that your lipstick shade. Outline and fill in your lips, creating a seamless base. Follow it up with a coat of intense lipstick, whether you prefer classic red, sultry nude, or bold berry. Seal the deal with a touch of lip gloss for added brilliance. Step 7: Glow. Glamour is all about from within. Apply a highlighter to your cheekbones, nose, brow bone, and Cupid's bow. This will give your face a stunning radiance and that coveted, lit within look. Step 8: Set and Lock. To ensure your glamorous masterpiece stays intact, gently dust your face with translucent setting powder. This sets your makeup, controls shine, and keeps your skin looking flawless throughout the day or night. Step 9: Dress to impress. Outfit choice has a vital role in completing a glamorous look. Select an elegant, eye-catching ensemble that complements your. Remember, confidence is key. Rock your chosen attire with flair. Step 10: Finishing touches. No glamorous look is complete without a few touches. Accessorize with statement jewelry, a chic handbag, and impeccable hairstyling. Your personality shines through your style choices, and you're ready to conquer the world. Congratulations! You've successfully transformed yourself from basic to in just 10 easy steps. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to create stunning looks on any occasion. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips, step-by-step, and transformative makeovers. Stay fabulous and see you next time.